There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around.
1997 Trans Am, 5.7 liter V8. Still got all the stock converters, one right there and one right there. Then it's got a Y pipe from the factory into a 3-inch. And then we put a cross-flow MAGNAFLOW muffler on it, 18-inch body right there. You wanted a little bit of sound, not too much. And 4-inch black tips coming out of 2 1/4 tailpipes right there. All right there, it's got the WS6 package, performance package. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. MAGNAFLOWs tend to get a little bit louder once they break in about 30 days. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram Air Edition.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,